On this day that I woke up so emotional, let me just answer some other stuff that we just leave. Ezinye sometimes xa konakala nansi indlu yatsho. I woke up so emotional today of my own things. So, but this adds to some of the things that we suffer. Kukho umkhulu lo waka Latoya, the baby daddy Latoya. I hate it. Umkhulu, I forgot his name. I forgot his name. If ever this video reaches you, I know this, you know what, the internet is so quick of people that are crashing other people. But there's no witnesses of people when people are doing good. Why? There's always, if it's 90% negative, it's 90% negative. I know when mamelana. Umkhulu igama lakhe because he came with uLatoya kwam eLombati. Usisi ugogo lo benizombona noLatoya eLombati ngekungikhohle vele. Ngekungikhohle, I think uyi-one umuntu uLatoya wakhe wazombona eLombati. You remember me very well. So ngabantu engibahloniphe kakhulu umkhulu noLatoya. But as abantu abakule ndlela esikuyo, who are trying to, we are seeking healing, we're seeking answers, we're seeking who we are, we're seeking remedies. Some of us, we come from people that were makers of remedies. So because of lifestyles, it doesn't allow us to sizinkaye, sizifunde, sizithonge. But ufumanise kuba la muntu uza kusesikolweni into ezinjalo. Umkhulu understands that. So I hate them when izinto zingakho right, you come online because you know somebody ulebu kheswa bethethe this ngoLatoya, so nawe uzofakelela. And lo muntu nomntana naye. Umkhulu, you came to my place with uLatoya. Unobuhle lo, sozundlibale mna. And anthengi iskelemu sikaLatoya, anthengi Cloud, anthengi Nixon. No, there's too many voices. So thank you God. You know, bendingila mntu mna ongafuna usebenzisa social media kakhulu. Bendingila mntu. Gone are those days. I don't care. Gone are those days. You go to these podcasts. Qala ndiyibone le nto manje qoma khanti ngayihoyi. Nam yabona ezi zinto, they hit us because isendleleni one. You understand? We've got similarities. So imlilo xa sometimes utsha kwakho nakwami ndiyawubona uba hama ikhona into evuthe nje. Ikhona into evuthe njena. So le problem yesizwe, or le problem ye-generation yethu, or le problem ye tribe yethu. So sine problem, generational problem, it's fucking a lot. It's a fucking lot. So there's no need for you to come online on podcasts. Pouring your heart over izinto ezingekhoyo. You were taking care of her. You were buying her this and that and that. Let's not go there. Let's not go into as personal. And even nawe mkhulu, as umuntu omdala, ezikhehla, umfazi wakho nanku yana umthole famous, angithi umthole egubhuda kulezi zinto lezi, ukunikeza ingane lo muntu lo. Ingane omfana. Ukunikeza ingane omfana lo muntu lona. Uyambona umthola ukuthi umtholile vele ukuthi ulimele. So right now in South Africa, the most important time of our lives in South Africa, where we're trying to define ourselves, who we are. That's why abanye abantu abaningi bayahlanya. Uthi bayahlanya yani twasa nithinta baphupha abantu abazazi. There's no leadership, there's chaos, but fine, we are trying to find our feet. Because there's this inner thing that's fighting. That's why you see some of the leaders are trying to do good. So when we mention uMeya wase Johannesburg, we're not in the no. We are trying to say, we want to see, thank you, Tata. We want to see more of abantu abadala doing this. because when you've got a personal vendetta nomeya, then umbona ba wenza into right, nanku umeya right ngokusemfumene, sesifumene oyi-1 right, masilandele pha. So uyayazi into enobungoma phakathi. People need healing. We live in different spaces. Some are in the corporate. There's people that are in the spiritual world. So you know it very well, but it exists and it's playing a huge role in society. So we're trying, and it defined badly because of the things that we're doing. So we're trying to also work on that, because that's who we are. That's our weapon, because we are not Western. That's who we are. That's our roots. You come online, you come and dump, you come wena ke ngoku as umkhulu, umfumene umfazi uLatoya lona uthangithi umthole elimele. So what, and you know that all of those things were in the public, whether they were true or not. So wena as umuntu omdala umnikeza ingane umfana, it doesn't matter even if ingane is 7, yes 7, and it says mostly ingane umfana, you come online usho ukuthi bekalala namadoda phambi komntana where. Let me tell you, mina, all of those things are lies. You trying to make her like she's the lowest human being ever, when you know very well ubani umama ongalala hayi. Especially she knows yena uwes, because she knows a lot of people talk about her. So she's the person that ozojonga kakhulu into ayenzayo, because uyayazi bana ujongiwe and abantu bayathetha ngaye, and anything bad ayenzayo kuzawuthethwa ngayo, it's going to be picked up. So there's no way uLatoya ezothe zoba nomntana na 1 month umbone lala namadoda. Come on guys, and you've got people online, and you've got, this person has family problems, has the firstborn problems, where this girl is trying to see her mom as her mom, and the past and the things that they have experienced, just like everybody else. Then you come, when you are given a position when I'm cool, to not, because ulebu, that type of thing, uyayilandela lidimoni elirongo. Don't be one to follow a trail ye demoni elirongo, into negativity phakathi, nakhona ke ngoku mkhulu, ngoba njengomuntu endimaziyo ukhe wangichaza mkhulu, you cannot come. So ndithetha nawe ngqo, you can yabavokolo mkhulu kwezi conditions esiphila kuzo. And then uLatoya, people saying that uLatoya is with a parent. No. Amadoda yaphela, just like ukutya Shoprite, ukutya ezilenini kuyaphela. So abanye bayazama ufumanise kubana bazame waqonda bana waskipa wazama kule number 1 apho kokhona itoilet, wathi kule number 2 apho kokhona isweet, akho nix, waqomba akanamdla no, waske wayophelela pha kula fridge yamaphara. Nawo kaloku ayatyiwa kukutya, uvele waphelela pha kula fridge yamaphara. Ikhona ne-fridge yamaphara? Hayi khona nje kakuhle fridge yamaphara, ndithi bathi uyiphara. Khona ifridge yamaphara. Xa bese bephelile ke ngoku kula fridge ye-graduates, or Mr. Cute Guy, or Mr. Six Pack, or Mr. Ntontoni, or Mr. Ntontoni, niyazi ikhona leyo mhlamba akusingenanga yokugqibela ke yamaphara, because bakhona nabatyola nezidumbu. So mhlambi eyamaphara ayisinge yokugqibela. Mkhulu ungazenzi izinto, ungazenzi. Ndivuke ndililiswa zizinto zesintu ba like andifuni. Ndatsho ndacinga nam like nomama endihambe nabo, uLatho endimcingela njengomama bayona zezi zinto uLatho yazithweleyo, and sihleli sithule, the witnesses of it, sihleli sithule ba hayi mkhulu bene pha kwam And uLatoya, guess what, since ngala mini nanize nobabini kwam anikamboni. Uyakhumbula kufuneka ndenze i-consultation, kufuneka nindenzele inkukhu, kufuneka nindenzele ntoni ndibhizi nento zasekhaya, azange ndize kuni. Wathini uLatoya? Gogo hamba oqala ekhaya, zange nilahlekise, masiyithethe plain blank. And sasirekhodwa kamnandi nanini. I don't want to talk about into yamnani noLatoya. I don't want to talk. Zangathi kumu iza kumu nemali uthini mkhulu. Even after that, I think we just said hello to each other, and then we never, and maybe once. So akho umntu who is friends with umntu otheni. It's just the person in the corner who's experienced these people, and I'm like, this is not what I know. And you've got people there next to you who have lived with you, amathwasa wakhe, who go online and say ungugobela wantoni, ungugobela wantoni, ungugobela wantoni, ungugobela wantoni, ungugobela wantoni. Ningcolisa isiko, ningcolisa abantu. Deal with ugobela wakho, ungugobela wamanga. Idlozi lakho ke ngoku likufake phayana because ufuneka ufundile, suwoboloza isiko lethu. Ikhona ezizimfihlo xa uwoboloza, know that uwoboloza ngento engazongcolisa into yakho, indlu yakho. Sethanda uwoboloza. South Africans is our gift. That's why sisimacha sithini, we are those things, we are those people. Siyaboloza. But ngoku sizibulela, sibulala ngokweli siko lethu. Isiko lethu ootata abasazazi bana babavikele kanjani oomama. Hayi mkhulu, laa nto bendingayilindelanga kuwe. Andiyazi uba ufuna uvala indumba kaLatoya. Ufuna uvala indumba kaLatoya. You wanted to be the most fucked up mom ever to your son. Because uzawubaleka nomntana because of disputes, into eqhelekileyo. Into okhala ngayo yinto eqhelekileyo. Abantu bazoyenza into big dealing just because inguLatoya. Ubaleka nomntana, amaphoyisa ayakufuna, uyafuna. It's entertaining to people. Yeah, amaphoyisa ayakufuna Latoya, because you're repeating what the ex was doing online. So it's entertaining to people. It's a Netflix movie. But let's be real here. It's creating now a culture ku society. It's creating ezinye izinto ku society, and you are part of it. You can't do that. Khazibuyisa mkhulu, can't do that. Uthule xa ufuna ukuthulile. Uthule xa ufuna ukuthulile, khuzibuyisa. Uye kuLatoya. Niye kuLatoya.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozi waseMzansi. uLatoya uyatrenda ngemva kokuthi baby daddy wakhe ahamba ku-podcast i-engineer your life. Wafike waqetha nje waspila ama-beans, wakhipha ama-files exposing uLatoya for being a liar, for being a cheater, expose nje for tinto letiningi. And bantu abaningi, they are speaking about that podcast ukuthi why onke ama-ex aLatoya Nkosi yami ahlezi expose ngale ndlela, ahlezi athi umqambi imanga, she's a liar, uyi-cheater. So the lady was just defending uLatoya, khuta lo mkhulu ukuthi wayahamba khuluma ngaLatoya kuma-podcast. She was even crying, standing up for uLatoya Makheni. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.